All right, welcome to Creator Hardware. Today we're going to show you how I set up to film in a small space. Let's take a look at the actual space I film in. That's pretty much it. To that carpet, don't look at my cable management, it sucks. But that's the space I film in. Now, store my stuff over here. So we're gonna have to get some stuff out. We've got two of these lights that I just leave set up. Fresh batteries. Now I could, of course, leave these things. I could actually power these via the power adapter, but it's easier not having cables. Obviously, set up my camera tripod. Camera tripod goes like this, clips in. Obviously, I got my selfie screen. But what we need to do before any of that is check the lighting. As I'm sure I'm blinding you. But now what we need to do, in my situation, because I've got screens and glass in my shot, I need to make sure that none of that is reflecting from the light. Now I've got a kind of hair side light on that thing right there, and then I've got my key light. Key light obviously lights me. So what I need to do, because unfortunately I have to reposition these every day, every time I film, because, well, I have to film and take the stuff down so I can work. So just a kind of quick shot of how everything's being filmed. There's my chair. As you can see, the one light is reflecting in my computer, so I need to adjust it so it does not. I want to sit down and just verify picture in picture that I'm not reflecting too much with my other lights, which looks like I am good. Now, one of the secrets to, well, videotaping yourself is having a quick and easy setup. The harder it is to set up, the less likely you're gonna do it. So it needs to be as easy and quick as possible so you can do it. If it takes you an hour to set up for a shot, you're not gonna do it. It's just the way it works. As my cat decided, it's time to get up because I'm filming. Now, for audio on this setup, you see I have a Rode mic on my A6600. That is merely for scratch audio. I'm actually recording audio, scratch audio into this camcorder and using my Zoom H4n Pro with my Sennheiser wireless mic system. Quick note about this, white balance. Quick note about the Sennheiser system and the Sony A6600. It is way too hot for the Sony pre-mics. It literally will clip at 1 and you can't do anything about it. There's no adjustment in the Sennheiser system. This is their Rode Wireless Go competitor, and it does not let you adjust audio levels at all. So it's basically unusable into a Sony camera because their preamps are just too hot. So this is how my studio is set up. As you can see, not much space. And, well, I've got a cat. Obviously, if I wasn't doing a kind of vlog style, the cat would be outside the office. I figured I would show you how to set up a talking head type film environment. It's not real hard. Now, I've filmed in this space before with a boom mic, which adds to the setup, which I don't like because it takes longer to set up. With the wireless system, all I got to do is turn on a couple things, put on a lav mic, and I'm good to go. So as always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.